The SETI Summer School, organized in Trento with the support of EIT Raw Materials, put together higher education, research and business to provide the students some new skills in order to develop their business capabilities in the field of raw materials.
The school as a whole, it's an interesting experiment to see how the students can innovate and develop and present some new ideas as a team in a very short amount of time.
It is really important for the EIT Raw Material, such kind of initiatives which bring together students for over a week, because one of the main aim of our organization is to link together business, education and research.
During the week, the students work in team on a real challenge provided by industry and come up with a solution that has not just a technical feasibility but also some business basis.
I decided to attend SETI Summer School because I think that this is a great opportunity for me to improve my technical knowledges, but also to meet the company, to understand their needs and understand better what does it mean working in a real company.
I saw that it's very connected with business. I can learn how to solve problems.
Also for students in summer school, this is an important opportunity to get an idea of the industrial world.
I expect a lot of talk and lectures about business, but in the end I even got something more. It's about pitching your ideas.
And we got chance to interact with each other with some real problems, because there are two companies, they gave us challenge.
It was like a challenge in a challenge because I worked with people coming from the rest of the world with different knowledges, different background.
By the school, we get this flavor to work in a real world field.
I got a lot of good mentoring from professionals, and even the mentoring is not really theoretical, it's practical based on my idea. So it's like here, I learn how to develop an idea and I learn how to make it happen.
It's interesting for us as lecturers to see that they are able to present and pitch at the end of the course.
I had my expectation when I got selected for this program, and then I have to say that this program is much better than I had expected.
I would highly recommend students to join SETI Summer School to improve their technical knowledge and entrepreneurial skills.